I'm going to help you put together your Excel document for your personal finance project. So go ahead and go into Excel and go to File, Save As, and go into your 9th grade folder, your computer folder, and it's going to go into your personal finance folder. And we are going to call this Personal Finance. All right, so you see up here, it's named Personal Finance. All right, so now what we're going to do is each one of these sheets is going to be a different part of the project. So this first sheet is going to be part 1. So right click on it and rename it and call it month wage. And then go into cell A1 and name it monthly wage. Right? And then come down into A4. And for you who has a yearly salary, you can type in yearly salary. Put a colon and go into B4. And I'm going to pretend that my yearly salary is $40,000. Okay, so now my yearly salary is all cut off. Before I fix anything, I'm going to get and highlight A1 all the way to D2. And we're going to merge and center. And we're going to go into cell styles and change the background color and make this a title. And now, in between A and B, double click so your yearly salary shows up. All right, so since yearly salary is money, I want you to make this a money format. So if you come up, you see this general right here, it's number section, click on the dollar sign. All right, so since I'm making $40,000 and you put in what you're going to be making, so whatever your yearly salary is. Decimals up here, I want the decimals to go away. So double click this one, it decreases the decimals. So we just have the dollars, not the cents. All right, and then come down, and we're going to calculate our monthly salary. So monthly salary, and we have to resize our columns again. And we're going to put a formula in here. We'll be graded on this formula, so make sure you actually do this. So any formula in Excel to calculate things starts with an equal sign, so type equal. And now we're going to use cell referencing. So now go click on your 40,000 and say divided by 12, and then press enter. Okay, and you see how it did not bring the same formatting down. So what I want you to do is click on this 40,000, click on Format Painter, and now click on your monthly amount, and then it will bring down the same formatting. Now I want you to come into A7 and type in the word deductions. Then come up to cell styles, and we're going to make this a heading 2. Alright, so now that we're in here, I want you to come down and we are going to take out money from FICA, which we said on our instruction sheet was going to be 7.65% of our wages. So we're going to calculate that from our monthly salary. So this is equal to, click on your cell B5 times 0.0765 and press enter. And make sure that you come up and take down those decimals. The other one you're going to need from Moodle. So we are on Moodle, and right here, it's underneath the W4 that we filled out, and it's find out your monthly federal tax with. So click on that link. Okay, so my monthly payment before deductions. So mine was $3,333. For withholding, you are single for this project, and the number of allowances was that total number from your W4. So mine was 3, and then click calculate. Okay, so this number is going to be my withholding. So $289.05. So I'm going to go back into my Excel document, say federal withholding, and it was $289. And I'm going to use my format painter to bring that same format down, and I'm going to resize column A. And now we're going to calculate our state tax. So whatever your state is, you may have to look up your state if you are not living in Missouri for the project, but if you cannot find it, then this Missouri tax calculator is right here on Moodle for you. So you can scroll down your taxable income. So that was my 3333 and click calculate. So my tax is going to be $71 in the state of Missouri. And don't forget to format paint. Now I want you to come down here and say total deduction. And we're going to put in another formula to add this for us. So type in equals sum, put an open parenthesis, and then you can select all three of those in a row and press enter. So this is how much you're going to have to take out. So come down into A14 and say total monthly wage, colon, click on B5 minus B11 and press enter. This is going to be how much you make per month after taxes. So every calculation you do from now on, this is the number you're going to use. So now that we have this, I want you to come up to cell styles and make this a total. That's it. Now before you turn in this part of the project, you will need to print it. So go to File and go to Print and make sure that right here it says 1 of 1. You have more than one. Fix that. Make sure that it looks nice right here. You will also need to go to your Insert ribbon. So go to Insert. Go to Header and Footer and put your name in the middle. The due date on the right side. Put in your actual due date, please. And then click Go to Footer and put in your file name in the center. And on the right side, the sheet name. That's going to be the format for all of the sheets in this. So now go back to the normal